You can easily create an assistance AI chatbot if you have your business information in tons of PDF files or other documents. So let's say we are going to see create an AI chatbot for this particular business or this particular restaurant. So here it is called as Port Chester Dinner, and they are located in this particular location, and their menu is actually in a PDF. So this is the menu they have. So we want to simply upload this particular PDF menu to the chatbot and see how this actually answered a particular customer's question right here. So here I'm in a demo account. So you have to get over to settings over here. So let me go to the settings, integrations, and OpenAI ChatGPT. So here you will have to create an assistant over here if you are planning to use or upload any sort of files for the AI chatbot. So let's click on manage right here, and let's create an assistant named as, let's simply say the assistant name is Port Chester Dinner. Click add and continue, and here the name of the assistant is this one, and here you can provide instructions right here. Most importantly, you can upload any sort of files right here. So let me upload that particular menu real quick. All right, I just uploading that particular menu we just downloaded right here. So this is the menu over here, and the menu is just updated. So let's provide the instructions right here. You are helpful customer service assistant to this particular company. Let's say respond to customers question in just 1 to 2 sentences. All right, and here if you want to, you can add any sort of AI triggers as well if you want to collect specific customers details such as email or phone number or some other details as well. For now, let's just create a chatbot which can simply answer any sort of questions using the file we just uploaded right here. And here you can add some other information as well. So here, for example, we can add this sort of information as well right here, and we can add the opening hours as well. Simple as that. I'm not sure whether we have these opening hours in the menu as well. Let's see. Yeah, it's open 24/7, and they have the address as well, so those details are already in the menu as well. And let me choose whatever the models you want to have. Let's choose GPT-4o model and click save. So here I have already created this assistant right here. So now we can simply activate this assistant through the integrations right here. OpenAI ChatGPT, and here click on edit and choose assistant over here because we are not going to use the business information, just assistant, and choose this assistant right here and click continue. All right, and make sure you activate this one so it simply answer any sort of questions asked by the customer right here. And this can automatically work on all these connected channels right here, so you can test this on any channels you like. So let's test this on the web chat right here. So we can actually create a quick web chat channel as well. So here web chat, click on manage, and let me name this web chat as this particular restaurant right here. Let's name this one, add this web chat, click continue, and here you can even add the welcome message as well. For now, let's just click save, and let me get the link over here. All right, I got the link. Let's simply paste it right here. All right, so here we have some sort of past history, so let me delete those history so we can start from fresh. So I guess this is the history right here. All right, so let me refresh now. All right, all gone. So now let's send hi. Let's see what sort of response we actually get right here. And it says, how can I assist you today? So let's say, who are you? And it says, I'm a customer service assistant for this particular restaurant. So now let's play with the menu right here. So here, how much is tomato juice? Let's ask this question. Small. how much is for the tomato juice small. So here the pricing is, small one is 3.79 USD. Let's see what we get right here. Simple as that, 3.79 USD. So here let's see, you can simply ask any sort of questions, it simply works. So let me say homemade muffins. What is included in this particular homemade muffins? So it includes toasted corn, bran, blueberry with butter or jelly. So let me ask this kid, what is included in the homemade muffins and how much is it? So we should get a response right here, and it's $4.99. So let me check. It says these are the ingredients and it's actually priced at $4.99. So let me ask this question, how much would be the total if I purchase one homemade muffins and one tomato juice small? So actually I'm sending a voice note right here and see what happens. So
For one homemade muffin, $4.99, and one small tomato juice, $3.79, $8.78.
simple as that. So let me say, can you send it in the text format? And it simply send me the total cost is this one, and this one. Simple as that. So I open now. So they actually open 24/7. So they should be actually opened right now. And it simply says these are the opening hours, 24 hours. Simple as that. So as I mentioned, this can simply works on other channels too, like Instagram, Messenger, or whatever the channels we have connected right here. So let's test this on the Instagram too. So let me share my screen. All right. So let me say, how much is for the egg sandwich? So I'm simply sending a message on Instagram asking how much is for the egg sandwich. It is actually 6.29. Simple as that. It's very pretty quick and it simply get the responses right here. Do you have homemade soups? And let's see what sort of response we actually getting. So they have chicken. So it simply says yes, we do have homemade soups. That's it. So let me say, what are the options available there? What are the options available there? So let's see if it actually get us those responses right here. So they have like chicken. Simple as that. So here you can even adjust the prompt right here, saying as detailed as possible or something like that, so it will actually respond in detail for the customers as well. And also you can actually easily customize this assistant chatbot for your own business as well by uploading any files related to your business and providing instructions right here. So that's a quick video on how to create assistant AI chatbot using the power of OpenAI ChatGPT. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.